welcome to today's class. In this class, we will revise the concept of conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Now, before starting with conversion, let us just recall what is a mixed fraction. Now, mixed fraction is nothing but a combination of whole number and a fraction. A combination of whole number and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. Is called a mixed fraction. Okay. Now, how does a mixed fraction look? 2 1 by 3, 4 2 by 9. This 2 is your whole number. This 2 is your whole number. And this 1 by 3 is the fraction. So, a combination of whole number and a fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay. Now, what is an improper fraction? Improper fraction is a kind of fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Then such kind of fraction is called improper fraction. It is called improper fraction. For example, 6 by 2. Now 6 is greater than 2. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is called improper fraction. Now when you have to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction, suppose you have to convert 2 1 by 6 into improper fraction. Then what do we do? First we take the number 2 1 by 6. Okay. So your first step number 1 is what? You multiply the denominator. Multiply the denominator with the whole number. Okay, that is 6 multiply it by 2. So 6 into 2 gives you 12. Now when you multiply this, you get 12, isn't it? Now this 12, we are going to add it up with the numerator. This 12, we are going to add it up with the numerator. So your second step is add the result with the numerator. When you add it, what do you get? 12 plus 1 gives you 13. Now what is step number 3? 13 is the required numerator. Okay, and the denominator remains the same. That means the numerator it will be 13 and the denominator will be same as the fraction given before. It will be 6. So this answer is nothing but 13 by 6. Okay. In this way, you have to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. We will see one more example so that you become very clear on it. Suppose I take a number 2 by 9. What I do, first I multiply this denominator with the whole number 3. When I multiply it, I get 27 because 9 3s are 27. Now this 27, I will add it up with 2. When I add this up, 27 plus 2 gives me 29. So your final answer becomes your numerator and the denominator remains the same. So it is 29 by 9. I will take one more example such as 2 7 by 6. So now 6 you multiply it with the whole number. You multiply it, so you get 12. This 12, you are going to add it up with 7. When you add it up with 7, what you get? you get 19 as your numerator, and the denominators remain same. It is 6, 19 by 6. In this way, you are going to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. I hope this is clear to you, students. In our next class, we will study in depth about it. As of now, this class we have studied only the conversion, a glimpse of it. So thank you, students. Thank you so much. Wish you a very, very happy BO.